YouTube.
Yep.
Live
Good
and
morning, good
subscribe.
morning, good morning, everyone. Welcome. We're
Well,
live.
we are alive.
Where's my? Where's that? You popped. Oh, that's right. I'm on the wrong one. There we go. Good morning, everyone. Hopefully, all you guys are having a great Friday so far. Your boy's having a terrific Friday. I'm excited. Excited to trade with you guys as well, believe it or not. We're going to make a couple more dollars a day and we're going to keep it moving. We had a great hangout session last night live on YouTube. So if you missed out, that's on you, not on us. But we're going to have fun today. And that's all I know. We're going to keep it moving. If you're new in the chat, go ahead, say new, and we're going to welcome you.
New.
The Legacy fam's going to welcome you. Let me open a new window. But give me a couple minutes, Steve, and I'll get that pulled up so we can get that figured out for you.
Yeah. That'd be cool.
Because I want to make sure you're good. You know what I'm saying? Like we gotta make sure you're good. That's not good. Why is it saying something went wrong? That's never good. Come on, YouTube. You're better than that. I want to put something in the chat on YouTube, but
And it did say, you're logging into a new device, so it triggered the two-factor. It also, like I say, I could see the messages. They're still in the message thing.
yeah.
And I tried to reboot it. Maybe I should close out of it and then try the other credential. Maybe it'll pull it together. I'll do that while we're waiting.
Yeah, we got 7 more minutes. So if anyone is having other technical difficulties, this is the time to get it fixed. Because
well, listen, we got news at 9:45.
We do have news at 9:45 today.
There we go.
Who's ready to go into the weekend green? I know I am. Like, such a great week. Feels good to be trading from the office as well, not gonna lie.
It is okay. Yeah. Yes. You never answered about the you left a message on the YouTube. You didn't ever get back. What's up with that?
Well, I saw your message. I responded. No,
And then
unless you messaged me again. I saw the first one, and when I saw it, I responded.
If you want to be a media tycoon, you need to be on it.
No. If I want to be a media tycoon, I would need to get me an assistant to handle all that for me. Well, because I'm all over the place.
You're a mess, but
don't listen to Steve YouTube. I'm not a mess. It's okay.
I'm one of his dear friends for 3 decades, but you're right. I don't know anything. No, he's not a mess. No. The only reason I can talk to this man right here like that is because it's this man right here. Love and respect.
Always. But good morning. Hopefully you guys are ready, because your boy's ready to see what this market does. Because yesterday, it's crazy. Yesterday, after we got off the stream, the market makers knew. They're like, oh, Duane got off the stream. Let's drop the freaking market. Like, I'd be flying on a private jet right now if I was trading yesterday during that massive drop. Just saying. So we're going to see what we get today. Hopefully we get some really good action like yesterday, because I want to fly on a private jet. What can I say? No, I'm not bougie. I just like taking care of my time. Make sure you guys are liking the online streams. It helps support the channel. Andre, good morning, sir. Good to see you. Welcome back, sir. Man, you're burning the candle at both ends. Trading the overnight, trading the morning. He's crazy, everyone. Andre's crazy. Let's stay safe in the markets today. Let's not do anything reckless or too reckless. We have news at 9:45 today. News at 9:45. The S&P Global Comp PMI flash at 9:45. So stay out of the market at 9:45. You do not want to get chopped up and ripped up. Just saying, all you guys are grown men, so I can't tell you what to do. I could just give you suggestions. And that's it. Okay. Yep, those overnights are no joke. I do not miss them. I'll tell you that. I do not miss them.
Yeah, when you used to go disco dancing, I remember that.
Yeah, when I used to go disco dancing, everyone, as Steve said, when I used to go disco dancing, I would not like those overnights. I see a bear flag printing currently on the 2-minute here. But we are pre-market. We are pre-market. Tempted. I got to flip a couple of my accounts today. So I'm like, do I potentially flip on this flag right here? I'll probably hold off till 9:45.
Yeah, let me know what you find out, because I'm not having any luck.
Okay.
I mean, and it's like, it's still Tradevate, so it's not like I'm using an unknown brokerage, and like I say, it's in the message center, so I don't know why it's not populating.
That's just weird. Did you just get it this morning?
Well, I had the account for months, but I funded it, and then the ACH went through yesterday.
Okay. I'm not sure how quick Tradevate updates their stuff. So that could be the issue that you're running into right now. Since it cleared yesterday, if they weren't paying attention, they put it in today type deal. You know what I'm saying?
Daddy needs to work. Okay, let me ask you this. And I can go into DMs, so we're not like, I'm not gonna walk all over the program, but maybe could I? Oh, it's 9:29, so I'll ask you in a second.
All right, market's getting ready to open, everyone. Get ready.
There he is, G.
There is some crypto plays that could be done, Andre. Buy low, sell high. That's it for crypto.
I did that. I made a killing on Ethereum a while back.
Okay.
I bought it.
Hey, I think the market is going to shoot up today.
We're going to see. We're here for it. If we're going to get a rocket ship, Legacy's ready.
Hey,
if we're going to get waterfall, Legacy's ready. It don't matter what direction we go. We are ready to trade today.
I hope everybody yesterday made some money yesterday, bro.
Look, I'm going to brag on G because he's very, like, he's an understated kind of guy, but he bought his first Bentley yesterday.
Andre, you and me both, man. I need $1 million too.
Hey, I ain't gonna get no Bentley though. No.
Well, you bought it just for a flex.
Oh yeah. If it's gonna be a car for a flex, it'll be the Rolls Royce. Woo, let's go.
You know, I'm still learning my luxury car brands. Give me a freaking break, sucker.
Market's open, pushing.
Woo, look. Woo, look at it go up.
I'm waiting because. Yeah, I'm waiting. We gotta get through that overnight high.
News at 9:45 too, so keep that in mind.
Got that 9:45 news. We're waiting. We're holding. We're waiting. Don't get too overzealous and excited on this first minute of the market being open. Because the market's going to try trapping people today.
That's what they do.
Trust me, it's going to try trapping people.
That's what they do.
Yeah, look at that 2 minute. It jumped up, and all those people are like, "We're riding it to the moon." It's like, okay, let me get your account.
And all those people that tried going long right there, they're currently getting trapped.
Oh my God!
That's called a retracement.
Yeah, Moose will not be on the stream this morning. He's a hard-working man. He's out there doing what he does.
He's fighting crime.
He's fighting crime.
Him and Baton are fighting crime right now. Hey, Duane, is there a way that I can like detach a buy-sell button from the Trade-Evate and just like put that sucker on my screen?
I don't believe so. Okay. Because I never was able to figure that out myself. Because they have everything up on top, and that's where it's at.
Maybe I can just get the app and trade through the app if I need to.
Okay.
Which is kind of sketch, but Daddy needs some milk.
Man, when I tell you yesterday was a great day yesterday, man.
I hope so. It took an absolute waterfall. Massive waterfall yesterday.
I made close to $2,000. I made close to like $2,000.
That's awesome. You didn't put it in the discussion, so I don't believe it.
No.
Until it's in the discussion, it's not real.
Wait. I did. I posted.
Oh, you did? I didn't see it whenever you posted it.
I did another. On top of it.
I stand corrected.
So.
All right, those bulls are getting squeezed right now. They're getting squeezed. Those bulls, they're getting squeezed.
Those bulls. Oh, wait, it sees that VWAP and it's coming to the hunt. Order filled.
No order filled yet. We're waiting. We're waiting.
Look at that thing springboard up. It's like a kid on a Johnny jump up.
But we didn't touch that VWAP. That's the only thing.
They didn't touch it, huh?
No, we came close, but we did not touch it.
And then it shot right back up, right?
We're waiting. We got these long wicks on top of these candles. So I'm being hesitant. Look at the 5-minute candle. Like,
I think people are gonna be a little punchy from yesterday. Say, oh, it's easy. I cracked the code.
Want all this to settle.
Settle down.
Because right now, tight little range so far.
Oh yeah, baby. You got a tight little range.
Yeah, baby. Oh
yeah, there's gonna be people that are like, hey, Myrna, I cracked the market. Give me all the money. Throw it in an account. We're gonna make some real dollars.
Welcome everyone to the YouTube stream. Appreciate you guys tuning in. If you're new to the stream, say new so we can welcome you. And if you're a regular, welcome back. Appreciate you tuning in with us and hanging out. We got 3 candles with those massive wicks on top, showing that selling pressure. Want to see some good follow through here? We'll take a quick short, put a couple dollars, make sure the button's working. You know what I'm saying? We got to test the button, make sure it's working.
Oh, you get fried on that.
I'm waiting for a good place to enter.
You took a short line?
Not yet. But I got to test the trigger finger. I got to make sure it's working. You know.
I got to make sure it's working. I just pulled them home. I'm already set up though.
We're hanging out around the yellow line. That's why I'm still waiting. I need follow through.
He's waiting, anticipating.
Now we got that big wick on the bottom of that 5-minute candle. Buyers trying to step in, but are the Bears going to win? With how it's moving right here is so tight right here. So tight. definitely be patient. Be patient, everyone. Remember, there's no rush to trading. We rush, but there's no rush.
Being very patient is the key. Being very patient is the key.
Andre, that it is.
That it is.
Looking like we may push. We got on the higher time frames. Potential bull flag on the higher time frames here. But we're just gonna have to go with the momentum. That's it. We got news at 9:45. News at 9:45, everyone. So make sure you're paying attention to the clock. Don't want you guys getting trapped.
Psychopathic. Man, that Tradeovate like app is like insane. You gotta be like on something to follow it.
On the Tradeovate app, my recommendation always, when you first log into it, delete everything.
Oh yeah, no.
And start from scratch, and you put the charts that you want on, not the charts that they give you.
Oh yeah, well I mean, on the desktop they throw in the kitchen sink.
Yep.
You know, it's like that. See that dog? That's your dog walking around the backyard with a tracker on. It's like, wait, I just need to see the important stuff. But on the cell phone, it's just showing like it looks like a spreadsheet and it's jumping around like psychotic.
We're hanging out right at that 21 EMA. Let's see if we start come on down here. That lag, crazy. That was a crazy lag there. That was scary.
It happened with mine too.
That was scary right there. Let's see if we come down. If not, I'm just going to close this out because that lagged so hard. I closed that 250 right there. I did not like how that lagged when I just entered that trade there. It was almost like a 2-second delay from the time I clicked the button to actually filling. Yeah, I did not like that whatsoever. That just gave me the heebie-jeebies.
That did it to me yesterday. Like it was before the waterfall, and I mean the market was going. I was right in. It's like 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi.
Yeah, that's like really bad. Like I can't.
Then the market like rebounds, and then it's like, okay, now you're in the trade. Like I would have never went in where it said.
Yeah.
At least it's not like closing and going backwards like before. That was like.
Oh, look at that. I thought it was going to touch that VWAP.
We came close. We came extremely close, but we did not tap it.
Not going to tap the VWAP. I hate when they say customer service team. Yeah, if you have any, I'm going to get back on this chart. If you have any intel for me, let's do it later on.
Yes, sir.
Did you, okay, so I'm just going to ask that you didn't answer. You, on the end of your day one thing, there was a big, crazy staircase on both sides that went up the lighthouse. Do you ever go up to that?
So it was actually the old church on that hill. We did not go up that night because it was dark, everything like that. So next time we go, we're going to be doing the church, me and my girl, because we didn't feel like trying to lug the kids up all those steps. It'd been kids on shoulders, the whole nine.
Well, you would have loved it. You would have done it 3 times and pressed people over your head.
No, that was right after dinner. So I was already extremely full. I was like, I'm not walking up like 45,000 steps to get up to that church.
Whoever built that staircase really earned their money.
Oh, 100%. But what's cool as well, they have like a little golf cart path all the way up to it, spiraling up. So they'll drive you to the top. It was closed at that time. So
I think you want to take the stairs. And I think whoever got the bid on that job, they're saying, okay, we're gonna pay you like $150 per stair. And the guy's like, I got you, fam. Like,
we have 3 minutes till 9:45.
And then the news. Remember,
yep.
The news is hitting.
Yep, the news is at 9:45 today. So be careful. I feel like the market's chopping right now until the news comes out.
Right. What do you think? You think well, either move it makes. Hopefully we'll be ready for it.
Yeah, we'll be ready. I want to flip this account, my take profit account. Just waiting for a good opportunity here. I want to flip it before 9:45 if possible.
Bad boy.
Got some consolidation right here on the Rincos. 2 more minutes.
Order bill.
Well, just look at this candle. Like, the bears want to drop this bad boy. They want to drop it. They want to drop it like it's hot.
They do, but you can see that there's that buying pressure that's bringing it right back up.
It is, but look how big this candle is on the 5 minute for all that selling pressure.
No, I got you. Look, I'm just trying to show you that I'm paying attention.
Oh.
Now you're just proving that it's not very good attention.
I'm not proving anything. We're just having conversation. Andre, the buyers are struggling. We got the close from yesterday, 24,073.75 below us. So if we get below that VWAP, that's the next target. The close from yesterday.
Did you actually get that new app so you could see all your chats?
I didn't do it last night. Not gonna lie.
Because you're too busy hanging out in the trade or the thing that looked like a big English bar in the background.
The traders hang out.
Boy. Yeah, give me a pint of bitter.
All right, we got less than 30 seconds for the news to come out. Less than 30 seconds here, everyone. So honestly, I would be hands off at this point because you don't want the news breaking a couple seconds early while you're in a trade. And you never want to be in a trade when the news comes out. Just saying from experience. I've gotten chopped up and ripped up plenty of times. So it's honestly not worth it.
The blue water, right from an iceberg. Okay, here we go.
9:45. That news really didn't take us anywhere yet. Let's see what we get here. News is out.
I changed the volume, but it hasn't gone crazy.
We literally did nothing. We stayed right where we were already sitting at.
I was sitting on the news.
Also, my banker just emailed me. I gotta go to the bank for $11.30 a day.
What is the high and the low of the 15, please?
The low, which we just is still printing because we gotta wait for 9:46 for that full range to be completed. But the high is up at 279.
All right, thank you.
The low right there, 144. Breaking out of the 15-minute range here. We're below the VWAP. We're below the VWAP now. So I'm expecting the bulls, if they stick around here, to push us. There we go, right back into the 15-minute range. before we do the full push out, before we truly break out to the low side here.
Break out. Break out.
No.
Let's see what we get. Want to flip this account.
Be touching that whole number soon.
Yep. I'm trying not to rush today because whenever I rush, that's when I take bad trades. Try to have patience. But look at it over here on this 5 minute. Look at the bear flag.
Bear with us.
Yeah, bear with us. Welcome everyone if you're new. Appreciate you guys.
I see what you mean, Duane, on that bear flag.
Well, we need more follow through here. The bulls are trying to push this price back up. We're in the low of the 15-minute range, right below that VWAP. Barry Allen. Yes, I called. I called last night, man. I called on the stream. I'm like, where's Barry at? Good morning, sir. Hopefully you're having a great Friday morning so far. I'm looking, we're going to see, like, we didn't get the full follow through that I wanted, so I didn't go short yet. Honestly, just a waiting game. Right up to almost the middle of that 15-minute range right there. Bulls are finally stepping in. Not trying to jump in front of a moving train. All right, so we tapped that middle of the 15-minute range there. Still pushing. So we broke out to the low side. Got rejected down there, and now we're pushing up. We are above the VWAP as well, so... Bears are trying to step in here.
Where is the next move, baby? Are we going high or low?
Well, feel like the Bears are trying to step in here.
That's a tight candle on that 5 minute. The previous. But the 1 minute is showing a bull flag, and then the 2 minutes showing a bear flag.
Yeah, we gotta love it. We gotta love it.
It's been at least 2 weeks since I've heard G sing anything. Is he all right?
I'm right here. I'm good. I'm chilling.
I haven't heard you like sing a song, so I just want to make sure.
I ain't hear nothing I like yet. Listen, once I hear something I like, you gonna hear me. Oh no. Same here. Shit, I made like 300 so far, guys.
Oh, that's awesome. Good job.
So I switched over Now I went over to my growth account. See what I could do on that.
Yeah. I'm the technical difficulty kind of took me out, so I'm just making sure I'm like ready to go. I don't want to like start jumping in because I'm thinking of the fact that it's not showing up yet.
Oh wait, be patient. It's coming. It's coming.
Daddy's gonna make some money. Come on.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, 205. This was damn boy. Duane, you still on that trade? Yep.
Yeah.
Ooh, coming down. Come on down, baby. Come on down.
Come on, baby, and do the Macarena.
Man, I remember how big that song was when it came out.
Oh God, I was a guy I worked with. God rest his soul. He was a great friend of mine. He since passed away. He was hilarious because he would like do that song, and it was like we worked in a television department together, and so it was just like, and this big guy is like doing the Macarena to be cool, but it was hilarious. I mean, he wasn't like believing in it, but he was selling it. It was hilarious. Come on, we don't diddle in the middle.
I took this trade. Luckily, lower size. I took it with one contract. That's one reason why I'm still holding on, because it's only one contract. So, want to see us push back down here.
The mafia says that even one contract's enough to kill you.
Oh, 100%.
I've been playing it safe. I've been doing the one contract, man. Forget that. Forget that. If I see it for sure, then I'll probably try to do at least one or more contract. It's really because of Duane. I see it's really because of Duane. I'll be doing the 4 contract.
Oh, don't blame me. Don't blame me, G. That's crazy.
No, I'm not blaming you, Duane. It's a good thing. Because once I see it, I'm like, Duane is making all this. And I was like, oh, the contracts. I was like, oh, okay. But look, you can make so much, but it can easily be gone that quick, too. So,
yep, you are right.
Trust me.
Close out of that. I don't know why my wrinkle bars started acting weird like that.
What you said, Jerry?
Barry, it was red because I took a bad trade. That's why it was red, sir.
Hey, look, we're heading out at the top of the 15-minute range.
Oh, it's going up. Oh, wow.
Gonna go back and kind of test it.
Let's see. Tap that overnight high right there.
Shit. I don't know. We probably could be setting up for a buy.
Let's see if we get the structure for a bull flag.
I'm going to quote Duane Broom II. I'd like to see a flag.
I want to see a flag first.
Want to see the flag. We need the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag.
Barry Allen, yes, sir. I just lost $1,700. Gotta love it. It's okay. Yesterday I made $5,000, so I'm still green for the week.
That ain't nothing. Right?
So 1,700. It's okay.
Man, Jive Turkey. It's not even 10 o'clock. You can bring that back.
Oh, 100%.
All of a sudden he like say, I'm gonna clean up that account. Watch
I'm gonna do that next. Here.
Hey, Chris. Yeah, you started without me? I said you started without me?
Want to see the flag here? No, Barry, I'm not taking it as you throwing shade or anything like that. You have had a valid question. I know you come to the nightly hangouts, not the morning sessions. So I appreciate you tuning in all early and stuff. But yeah, so I took a bad trade on one contract. So I'm in the hole currently, $1,700. But we'll be able to clean that up because here comes the move, which is craziness. Where I could have held on. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Let's go touch that VWAP potentially.
Touching the VWAP.
I don't like that bounce we just had right there.
Well, the 1 minute, if you look at that, it's getting a pretty nice bear flag going. It closes on that candle. Still building it out. It's coming up and almost touching the 21 EMA on the 1 minute and the 2 minute. But on the 1 minute, it's making more of a flag scenario. Give me a sim first. That 21 on the 1 minute is kind of giving it a little bit of a resistance, like when it came up.
Yep, definitely tried to build out that flag on the 1.
Well, let's see what we got. Come on.
Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Betsy.
A potential bear flag look like it's about to form on that 2 minute. On that 2 minute, you see it?
You know, the 1 minute's already there. The 2 minutes thinking about it.
Mm-hmm.
Give us the waterfall.
Oh, it's coming.
What was that?
Whoa.
10 o'clock.
Whoa, what was that?
Well, I just got stopped out right there. Jesus.
I was watching.
That's crazy.
One eye on your screen and one eye on mine, and then it was just like you were doing. Oh man.
That's craziness. And I just broke one of my own rules. I'm so aggravated right now.
Tradingat10.com.
Tradingat10.com. I just got stopped out for my max daily loss on my take profit account that I set up. Just lost $3,000 on that 10 o'clock right there. So aggravating. So aggravating. But we live to fight another day. Rotate accounts. Can't trade that account till Monday now. For literally just to come right back to where we were. Yo, that is so dirty. That is so dirty. But right there, I wasn't paying attention to the clock. Got trapped in that 10 o'clock. We had no news come out, but the market does weird things at those whole time frames.
I'm telling you, there's people in here that are a little giddy. They smelled the ether from yesterday.
So
All right.
Barry,
Hey, I made 1,100 on that trade.
more power to you. I got stopped out.
But I was in the negative though. It messed me up. So now I'm
Yep.
back to
So
50.
Barry, the red is bear, green is bull.
So you're gonna tell everybody about your new trip that you're planning to Uzbekistan next week?
Crazy. My girl's just like, do you want to go to Mexico next week? I'm like, no. She already wants to call back.
Get out.
Barry, I probably should start setting an alarm. Normally, I'm watching the chat. Yeah, I see the time. I wasn't looking at this computer over here. I was focused on my charts over here. So that's why I missed the time. Because normally we're all calling out 10 o'clock's coming up. 10 o'clock's coming up.
Hey, so will you ever do like an all-inclusive in the Caribbean area because that's so much closer, or no?
Potentially. Right now, I'm stuck on Mexico. It's just so easy, so clean. Yeah, don't follow me right now. I'm being reckless right now. I'm gonna have to woo-saw.
No, I'm about to go back down.
Let me refocus here. I may have to do some push-ups in the background or something. Get my mind off these charts for a moment. Let's see if we build out a flag right here. We have not done a company retreat for my business. It's kind of difficult with my service business because we operate 365, 7 days a week. So our top people, they're working on very important sites. So in order to pull them, we have to have someone just as good. And sometimes that can't happen. So push it up to there's the middle of the 15-minute range tap right there. Andre, good job, man. At least someone hit. Well, everyone hit but me. So I'm slightly jealous of you guys because everyone's hitting but me right now. That's crazy.
Jerry, I'm gonna call you right back. I'm gonna call you right back.
Bro, I told you. Well, I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold. And I got stopped out at 10 o'clock. So I couldn't hold it. Let's see if we get through that yellow line. Come up to the yellow line there.
Putting his toe in the water, but needs to follow through.
So bouncing up slightly right there. Let's see if we get the follow through. Yes and no. It just depends on what site, everything like that. We got that big old wick on that 5-minute candle. Let's see what we get there. All right, we're starting to get that momentum to the downside there. Let's see if we get the follow through. I'll probably wait till we get down to that first target, or actually the close from yesterday, that 24,073.75. That's what I'm waiting on.
I don't like it, man. It's like
it's chopping.
Just chopping.
Yep, just chopping.
I mean, it's just like every time you think it's gonna move, it just needs.
So waiting to get through that 73 level before I try looking to jump into a trade. Got chopped up. Not trying to do it again right now. Still green for the week, but just annoyed.
It is kind of annoying.
It truly is, Steve. You're aiming for the 23,995. Well, the way this thing wants to keep moving, we could get there. We could definitely get there.
made like quick 200 off that. It's too choppy, man.
It is choppy.
Damn. On my growth account, I'm at 425. So.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, good job, sir.
So I made 700 for the day.
Look at that.
I probably won't stay long. I'll probably be gone by like 12. I gotta get a haircut. I got an appointment at 12:30.
Okay. Yeah, I actually gotta get up by 11 at the latest today. I gotta run around town, so can't just sit on the stream today. What was that?
So I'm glad you're getting your cardio in.
I'll be running in a car, but we got the 5-minute bear flag showing. But like I said, want to get closer to that 73
well, that 5-minute bear
for
flag,
me. So
gotta throttle it. It's gotta go.
Going down. It's going down.
It's gotta leave the neighborhood for a minute.
all right, we passed through that whole number, that 100 level. Right back up.
Right back up. Right back up.
You can do them, Barry, from your phone. I recommend a computer because it gives you more real estate to watch the market. But can you execute trades on your phone? 100%. I've done it while sitting in the sauna at my gym at 24 hours. Now, crunch. So you could definitely do it from your phone. But I would always recommend you do it from your phone for as long as you have to, and then you get on like a tablet, a computer, just so you can see the charts better. Yeah, I'm trying to stay out this chop zone.
It's not worth it, man. It's like I'm looking at it. It's just like
Is it on top of the 15-minute or on the bottom of it?
We're below the 15 currently.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Why are you chopping? That chop is crazy, man.
Tippity chop.
We gotta get away from that 100 level, because until we get away from it,
oh, it ain't worth it, man. Oh my god. I mean, this is gambling.
that's why I'm not touching it. That's why I'm literally sitting back, just watching this bad boy chop other people up, because I ain't touching it right now. Barry, I low-key want to fly from our conversation the other night. I low-key want to fly up to Philly and get a cheesesteak this weekend. That's how I'm kind of feeling. I'm feeling kind of froggy. Just go up there for like a couple hours, come back, eat the cheesesteak on the plane, you know? Is everyone ready for Thanksgiving? Like, is everyone ready to eat some really good food? Because I know I am.
Yeah, you know, we cook all ours over the fire, so we're gonna like, it's gonna be amazing.
Still chopping here. Barry, you're going green. I would be careful. I'd be careful if you try to take along here. Because it appears that we may be trying to build a bear flag. on the 5-minute. So just be careful. This is not financial advice. This is just watching a guy that tries to trade. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Finally, that 73 level getting touched. All right. Let's see how we react up here.
It's got that buoyancy to it still. It's like, come on, Jack.
Just crazy. I'm probably going to have to stop trading for the day. Each trade I've taken is pulled back on me.
But the 2 minutes are going to make a flag, and then you're going to have everything you need to succeed.
Let me switch this connection.
I like the chat and the thing. Are you reading it? It's pretty good. I like the interaction.
So today for me, which I hate doing, I hate going into the weekend on a red day. I rotate to a different account here, but I may not even take a trade on this one. This is one of my take profit accounts. Yep, I was rotating accounts, Barry. So whenever the screen goes black like that, I'm rotating my accounts because I don't want you guys getting my personal information and my account information. So I had to rotate because I trade multiple accounts. Right up to the low of that 15-minute range. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Tonight, 9:15, going to have the traders hang out once again. So if you want to come hang out with me tonight. We're just going to be talking, vibing, and relaxing. Let's see if that's actually fixed now. How's everyone feeling? Are you guys up or are you down for the day?
I don't like this market. I think it sucks.
I feel you.
No, I mean,
it's chopping. It's chopping.
It's not even that I'm in the market right now. It just sucks.
The market is chopping.
I mean, it's just like it doesn't know what it wants to do. It's just like, I mean, it's for like the level of douchebag that wants to play roulette or something.
I feel that one, Steve. It is
I mean,
chopping.
just
I've been getting chopped. So
no, I mean, if you're a gambling person, but it's like the charts are not reacting the way they would, normally. So
let's see if we get some follow through here. It's trying to sell, Andre. It's trying to sell, but it's not clean.
it's not clean at all. starts looking like something, it's already pushed so far. It's hard, you're scared it's gonna change course again.
So we got that second target. Second target down here is 24,008. 24,008. Let's see if we build out a flag. Let's see if we get this flag. Hey, keep on holding, brother. Keep on holding. How many contracts are you trading? Chopped right back up.
See what I mean? It's just like
you honestly just gotta laugh at it at this point.
No, I mean I'm grateful. Listen, I mean it might sound like frustrating. I'm grateful I could read it. You know what I mean? Because if I couldn't, then you'd just be destroyed. So
yeah,
I'm grateful for everything you taught us, but it just you also want to have an opportunity at some point.
No, of course.
And you know it goes without saying, because I haven't said it for a while, that it takes like a special somebody that's like a special person to share this knowledge so freely.
Well, I know what this could do for people because I know what it's done for me. So that's why I share it the way I share it. Only because I know most people could literally change their life if they learn how to trade.
Yeah, because I mean the thing is like it's selfless too, because I've had the privilege of knowing you outside of this, and it's just like, and so it's a testament to who you are as a person. Now you better be saving me some of that slice of cheesecake for giving you that love.
Oh, listen, I ate some last night. It was delicious, but my body's not used to eating sweets like that. So I was like done after like the first piece. I was like, I can't do any more of this.
I knew one guy, he was doing the full bulking mode, and then he was gonna have a pizza cheat night. He said, and the next day he's like, I ate like one piece and I thought I was gonna die.
Yeah, because when your body's not used to it, it reacts differently.
Oh yeah, because you're running ketones.
I just tapped that VWAP.
VWAP, EMA, who cares? What can I say?
Barry, don't start coming at me for legacy. Me and Barry, we have a special relationship in the chat. He's in the hangouts at night. But Barry, I had to. My mom made me a cheesecake. She wanted to give it to me on my birthday, but I was in Mexico. So I'm not going to tell my mother, no, I'm not going to eat your cheesecake that you made me. That's disrespectful. You got to show respect to your elders. You know what I'm saying?
And Barry, if you can hear me, it's like his mother cooks like cakes and stuff that look like the ones on the TV show. Like it's a real deal. This stuff's not coming out of the frozen section at Walmart.
That it's not. That it's not.
You know what I mean? It's not like it's not one of those things you would like buy in a box. I mean, she does it. I know she made that with love, and it's like if it tastes half as good as it looks. Oh my Lord!
Technically no, because she asked when I was in Mexico if she can make it. I agreed to it, so she at least asked first before she made it. It's not like she pulled up to my house. Here's the cake. You know what I'm saying?
Well,
for the first of the month, nigga, you too pay me.
Oh my goodness.
He gets excited when your mother brought you the cheesecake.
Oh, how was that cheesecake?
It was delicious. It was delicious, but man, I'm not used to sweets, so I was done after the first big piece I took. I'm like, I can't have it anymore. It's too rich.
You still got some?
Maybe.
He said maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, the first big piece is like he took the mouth out of Pac-Man, gave it to his girl and his kids, and ate the Pac-Man. He's like, that one
Yeah, right now just hanging out. Not much to really do right now. Already got chopped up, so I'm not trying to get chopped up more today. If you haven't already, check out the vlog I posted. That was for the first day we were in Mexico. I got 3 more, I want to say like 3 more videos dropping from out there as well.
And you were going crazy at one point.
Barry's on his way to take over the leftovers. You know, he's going to take care of it for me. This thing is just chopping. Chopping. All right, put a line up here, it comes down. Put a line down here, it's going to pop up. So let me actually do that.
Yeah, I have a line for a bear flag and a line for a bull flag that's kind of bracketing the 2 minute, and it's as sure as like a corral on a horse.
Yeah.
It's just like I haven't even bothered to doodle anything else because I'm disgusted. Come on,
Andre, we're watching. I'll bring you some pork chops for exchange. Well, that sounds like a deal. We're going to trade pork chops for cheesecake. A half-eaten cheesecake, by the way.
Your mother should have made you like a meat casserole.
I think she did that for me last year, if I'm not mistaken. I forget.
He's trying to forget.
Yeah, I'm trying to forget the horrible trades I took today.
Boy, they were pretty bad. Should you just give up, or are you gonna like fight on?
Well, I'm patiently waiting for an A+++ setup. And if I don't see an A++ setup, I'm not taking it.
Well, okay, well, we clear.
You're right, Andre. I could have, but I have rules, man. I have rules. Once I do certain things, like I'm not going to revenge trade. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to get it back at a certain point.
What I'm interested in is if it'll clear that wick, that low wick, and see what happens. Is that what you're thinking? Maybe build a flag?
I want to see a flag. I want to see a bear flag. Coming down to that target.
What was that target?
It may have been there. But I'm not just jumping into trades. You know what I'm saying? Like, I gotta follow the system. But yes, technically I could trade to the chop and scalp to get some profits back, but at a certain point you just have to know yourself and know when to jump in and when not to. I know myself, and I'm not going to jump in after taking a 3K loss or even more than that. So because that's how you end up going on tilt, blowing accounts. And we ain't trying to blow no account.
No. I ain't gonna lie. I was gonna make it.
No.
All right, pushing through the yellow line.
I paid it. Yeah. I paid it back up and back down. Look, come look. And I did another one. I did it.
I see that.
All right, just muted him. Can't be coming on my stream talking to people in the background.
He has his own show going. It's just on.
No, he's with Jordan, so. Come on, market. Give us something. Maybe a bear flag. I'll gladly take a bear flag.
Bear with me.
That's awesome, Andre. Yeah, Friday, it's funny because Fridays is normally like my worst day of trading. And a lot of other traders say the same thing. So we got to figure out why that is. Why is Fridays the worst day for a lot of people?
Are you like psychologically phoning it in because you're just like, it's a weekend?
Possibly. Maybe we've already checked out for the weekend. But then Saturday comes when we want to check back in and be like, oh, I want to trade. I don't know how that works.
Today the market's not behaving the same because I'm watching it. And that's just a fact. Like, I'm not in a trade, I'm still watching it. It's not behaving right. It's kind of like buoyant. It's chop, chop, chop. Like, it tried to clear that one wick, and it did, and then immediately, so.
Let's see if this plays out here.
It just froze for a second.
We're all still learning, Andre. Like, that's the best part about this. It doesn't matter how long you've been trading, you're always learning. You're learning yourself, honing your strategy even stronger, sharper.
Man, like, what you said first is the most, because you could say you need to have a system to rest on, but you also got to know yourself, man. A little consolidation for you, Duane?
Yep, just a little bit there. We have that second target right below us.
What is that second, if you don't mind me asking?
My bad. Not laughing at you, Steve. Second target, 24,007.50. Delroy, how am I a lifesaver? I gotta know. All right, we're coming on down to that second target. I'm purposely making it harder for myself to jump into the market. So I want us to come down to that second target, and then maybe after we clear the 24,000 mark, maybe then I'll take a trade. But I got to do everything possible to keep myself out the market because I got to see a good setup. Yep.
The whole number.
Popped into the 23,000s. If we lose this 24,000 mark, expect a waterfall. Because we're currently making new lows. Delroy, how am I a lifesaver, man? I gotta know. I gotta hear it. I want to see what happened.
Well, you're reading, so you're not going to hear it unless you put it talk to text.
Thank you, Steve. I appreciate that. Got some consolidation happening right now on the Renko bars. $12.40 on that trade. Well, Delroy, I'm glad the strategy helped you. Let me rotate my account. We locked in that profit on that one. Could have stayed in longer, but with how my day's been going, I'd rather just lock it in today.
Yeah. Today is one of those days where you just do, you take it and lock it.
Well, I just went up, Andre, $1,200. So I closed that one out, locked it in, because until you lock it in, you don't have it.
Ain't that the truth?
Waiting for the next move. Delroy, so with the strategy, do you like how we get those confirmations? And Steven G, for you guys, Delroy's part of the community now as well.
Welcome, Delroy.
All right, what do we always know?
We can't see that.
Market always repeats itself.
You know, simple. Delroy, when I told you I had a simple strategy originally, did you believe me? I know you believe me now, but did you think I was blowing smoke at first? We know one thing, the market always repeats itself. So we had this bear flag up here. Let's see if we get another bear flag. And we wait for the confirmation, and then we'll take it. Well, I'm glad you were pleasantly surprised. I'm not like all the other people on the internet. I'm actually giving out real strategies that get real results.
Are you a robot though? Remember? We gotta talk about that.
I'm not a robot.
Are you AI?
I'm not AI, but I do use AI every single day. It's a life hack. Just saying.
What is it to pick out the color of your shirt?
Not to pick the color of my shirt, no. So, question for Delroy, since he's new, but we got this. We may be getting confirmation here. We didn't get. I wish that candle was green before it's dropping down red like this. We may get a slight push up. Let's see where we're going. We have the overnight low coming up, 23,904. 23,904. Yeah, bro, got me making profits. Hey, I'm glad you guys are winning. Delroy, question for you. Currently, the Founders Group is free, and everyone in the Founders Group, you guys will always be free in the community. Is the strategy that I put together and showed you, is that worth me charging next year people to be able to get in the community? That's the question. Andre, you can answer that one as well, since you're getting profits. You know what I'm saying? Is the strategy good enough that people should have to pay for it?
I'm paying for it. I'm paying for it right now.
All right, let's see if we get a flag here. Patiently waiting for the next move. I'm trying to be slow and steady right now. Yeah, if it was just completely obvious, you know what I'm saying? Like, it, you know, but the fact that you said yes, that makes me happy, you know what I'm saying? Because I feed off of you guys. Like, I'm learning, I'm growing, and I'm trying to tailor everything for you guys, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys have recommendations or you feel like something needs to if something needs to be updated, let me know, because I'm here to serve you guys in the community and everyone across the globe. You know what I'm saying? Because this is literally the best thing we could do. The secret sauce does make the difference. The sauce does make the difference. Like, you can trade bear flag and bull flags by itself, but once you sprinkle in that secret sauce we got in the Legacy Wealth Society, straight game changer. Yes, bro, at least 500. Well, Andre, that's pretty expensive. $500. I was looking at doing like a package system where, like, say someone just wanted like the strategy, then they could possibly just purchase the strategy. And then if they don't want to do that, then we'll probably do something where, like, a monthly subscription to the community and they get everything included. More minutes, less than 20 minutes, I'll be getting off here because I got to go run around town handling business. Gotta love it. Make sure you guys are liking the streams, subscribing. Can't really see the chat. Hold on. Saw someone jump in here. Sheik. What's up, man? Which chart, bro? Which pair? We're trading the NQ. We are trading the NQ futures. The charts, we got the 2-minute and the 5-minute pulled up on the screen that you guys are seeing. And just so my voice cracked there. Sheik, just so you know, the strategy that we put together works on any pair, in any instrument you're trading. Our strategy works. So I literally put together a hack for all traders. That's what makes me happy. Like, this isn't, oh, you have to trade NQ, you have to trade gold, you have to trade you can trade anything. You can trade regular stocks this way. That's the cool part about this. Yep, so NQ means the Nasdaq futures, brother. And welcome from India. Appreciate you tuning in. Delroy, I completely agree. The only way to get people to that point is they literally have to watch the strategy video and just be on the charts. Like, because your eyes have to learn it. That's why you see me drawing on the charts. I'm doing that just so that way people like in the community like yourself, you can see what I'm seeing. You know what I'm saying? Sheik, I appreciate you subscribing, man. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for supporting the channel. What part of India are you from? Cool. We got India. Last night on the Traders Hangout, we had people in here from Ghana. Just straight vibing. It's just a straight vibe and a big old melting pot. Which strategy? Well, the strategy we use is bear flags and bull flags paired with momentum. And then we sprinkle in some secret sauce that gives you the confirmation so you're no longer guessing. Because at the end of the day, trading, we're taking an educated guess of what direction the market's trying to move in. And we just put it together where now it's a more educated guess of what direction the market's moving in with the confirmation we use. For all the people in the chat, if you're new, type new if I haven't already greeted you, so I can personally greet you. And the Legacy Wealth Society will greet you as well, because we're here trying to make sure all you guys are successful. Explain the strategy, bro. Well, it's very simple. I will explain. Where's my cursor? All right. Come on. There we go. So we're trading bear flags and bull flags. Let me get some more lines here. Put these bad boys over here. So a bear flag. A bear flag means the market's going to be going down. But you have to understand it, the full picture of it. So that way you can always know what's going on. So a bear flag, everyone in the chat knows what a pole is, correct? If you know what a flag, which I'm pretty sure everyone does know what a flag looks like. A bear flag is a flag upside down. So we have the pole. Then the flag portion goes in an upward direction before the market goes down. A bull flag is the opposite. It looks like we're trying to do a bull flag right now. So I will draw it over here. With the bull flag. A bull flag is a regular flag, not upside down or anything. Literally a regular flag that you see flapping in the wind. So you got the pole. Then you got the pole, and then the flag will be going in a downward direction. That happens before the market goes up. And then the secret sauce, we use momentum for the confirmation. So we're looking for a bull flag. So we want these bars to give us some structure right in here to build that flag. So we want red bars. We currently want red candles right now to build the structure of the flag. But then we're going to want the final bar to be green to push us up. And we're going to use the bars up top for the confirmation, because these bars up top, that's the heartbeat of the market. It's letting you know where the volume is in the market and what direction the volume's moving in. Because listen, guys, have you guys ever gone to the beach and you were standing in the water and you got smacked by a wave? It's happening to all of us. If you go in the ocean, I go in the ocean all the time. Is it easier to go against the wave or with the wave? Pretty sure it's easier to go with it in the same direction that the wave's moving in than against it. And that's what we're doing here. So the chart you see up top, this is letting me know what direction the wave's moving in. So we spot the flag, we come up here, we confirm on these bars up top, and then that's how we get the confirmations. Well, Brendan, I just explained because I'm here. I'm not currently trading. You know what I'm saying? Your man had a red day. Like, I need a massage. It was stressful. It was a stressful day. Cried a little bit. None of my soldiers died today, but they're on life support. Some are on life support. Eleven o'clock, baby. 11 o'clock. All right, so it is looking like a bull flag on the 5 minute as well. So I like when I see flags on the 5 minute and the 2 minutes, because when we see on that 5, those are the solid flags. You know what I'm saying? And then what can also happen with how we're trading, say this candle just keeps going red all the way down. That will invalidate the flag. So we're not going to be trying to go long if the flag gets invalidated. You know, we got to do everything possible to keep us out the market until the right time. And that's what this strategy does. Appreciate the likes on the stream. Appreciate everyone subscribing. Hopefully you guys are having a great Friday so far. Better than me, at least. Yes, what you need. Tonight, 9:15 this evening, Traders Hangout. Who knows what's going to happen on the stream, but we're going to vibe up and have fun tonight. Gee, Steve, you guys good?
Yes, sir.
Steve may have had to walk away. All right, so right now we're starting to get those wicks on these candles on the bottom, showing that buying pressure. Let's see if the bulls can push it up. That sounds like my landscaping. Let me double check. Because if it's my landscape, I'm going to have to run downstairs real quick. Unlock my gate. Yeah, pretty sure that's so. Let's check. Okay, maybe not. All right, there's the bull flag. Let's see if we get the full momentum so we could jump in on this. Lewis, sorry to hear that, sir. What strategy were you using? We could definitely help you not blow your accounts over here. It happens to all of us, though, trading with prop firms. You win some, you lose some. Just wait. We got this structure for this flag. So just patiently waiting here. Want us to get the confirmation with the momentum. Just got stopped out there. Pulled back. I thought it was a lower size. What's that? It's working for everyone else today, Delroy, but me. Just straight craziness today. Tried taking that one. Got rejected. I was being greedy. Stream will be back on in 1 second. In 1 second, people. Don't you worry. Rotate my accounts here.
A week on the 2-minute.
It was crazy today, Luis. Definitely crazy. It's been chopping a lot today, but just I say hold the beer, hold the sparkling water, because We got this flag that's forming right here.
I'm going to head out to Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
We are coming up to 11 o'clock as well, so be careful. I currently have 7 accounts. 7 accounts. Are we getting ready to invalidate this flag here?
It's pretty damn close.
Super close there. Let's see what we get. Come on, Betsy. Give us something good.
Show me something good. I like knowing that G's out there somewhere in the background talking in the distance.
So we've been building this flag right here. On the 2-minute chart, 2-minute chart flag. We're waiting for the follow through here. If we invalidate it, it is what it is, but given a lot of structure right here. Don't get chopped up, gentlemen. It's not worth it. I've taken the bad trades for you guys, so you don't have to.
11 o'clock. 11 o'clock.
Good call out, Steve. Thank you, sir. Both of these 2 candles on the 2-minute chart got those selling wicks. So that's when I'm getting like slightly nervous, because it's like I see a bull flag printing, but we got a lot of selling pressure right now.
Well, if you look at the previous 2 minutes, sitting right up against the 21 EMA, it hit that and didn't go any further. So.
Delroy, I'm glad you believe in the strategy, and I'm glad it's helped you. Because like I said, you already had like the fundamentals down. We just sprinkled in, we just sprinkled in the extra sauce on top. Just to take you to the next level. Got a lot of selling pressure right now, so hesitant. Looking at the heartbeat right now, I'm not liking it. Not liking it.
You're not seeing anything good?
It's been chopping.
I know. I'm just trying
And
to get some
I'm supposed to be getting off the stream, but I'm trying to see if this plays out here.
I think we gotta hit like one more grand slam.
We're invalidating that flag right there. Unless we get a strong wick up, don't take it long. We just invalidated that flag. We're starting to get that wick, but not liking it. Not liking it. Remember, you want to go with the wave, not against it.
Oh, yeah, that's where I got wrong.
It happens to all of us, Steve. Like, today was not a clean day for myself. I'll tell you that right now.
The biggest issue today, honestly, was like the latency, because I closed one and it just sat for like 2 seconds, and so it put me in the red.
Yeah, that's horrible. That's the very first trade I took today. There's a 2-second delay on it being filled.
So you see that blue, it's like, oh no.
Well, that's the whole thing. My name is Show Blue. It just showed me in, but it lagged for 2 seconds. It didn't even show the blue line. I
tried to close it, because I was like waiting 1,000, and then it went in, and it's just like, okay, thank you for that. I would have been in the green, but oh well.
So we're right around this second target we had. And what happens with the targets we call out? They act as support and resistance.
And you got that whole number there. That's fun.
We do have that whole number. We got a lot in this area right now, so be careful, gentlemen. Be careful. Lewis, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. Luis, are you my Luis or are you a different Luis? Once I get off stream, I gotta go get changed. I gotta head over to the bank. Okay, probably it wouldn't be probably different. You would know if you were my Luis, you know what I'm saying? But Luis, appreciate you tuning in. Tuning in from Wisconsin. Well, welcome, sir. Is it cold up there?
Ooh.
I'm in the sunny state of Florida, where we don't really get cold.
I'm good with it not running the AC all the time, though. You're probably still running the AC all the time.
The AC is, well, only when it gets like really cold, I'll shut it off. But yeah, until then, we're pumping 67 degrees right now in the house. So.
Oh, I mean, this last summer, it was like my AC ran 24/7 for like 5 months. I'm serious.
No, I believe it.
You know it. You know it's true.
All right, we're coming down to this third target. That third target was 939. 939 for that third target.
Are we going to get a waterfall to end the day?
Hey, we do. I'm all for it. It's so warm. 38, that's warm. Jesus. Florida, we be covering plants.
Hey, so like I heard you say you're going to run around, but when you're going to run your ass to the gym, suck up.
That's a good question, Steve. I'll be back in Monday. Came back from Mexico. I had to start on Monday. I can't just jump in like late week because I feel like it's a wash because I don't train on Sundays.
It's because of your beliefs. No iron in your diet.
All right, let's.
On Monday, what do you train?
Monday will be chest and tries.
You need to try harder, all right?
Steve, since you told me to, I'm officially going to try harder. All right? Just because you told me to. All right, we're down here, but we're not really moving yet. Let's see what we get here. Still waiting. Anticipating. We got that wick on the 5-minute chart right there.
It looks like we're getting a nice bear flag starting to present on the 2-minute.
I see that. That's why I'm still sitting here waiting. if we get confirmation, I want to execute one more trade. Hopefully it'll be a green one finally. I've only been green in one of my accounts today. I put $1,200 in. Everything else today has been a complete bloodbath. Just red everywhere. It would come the day after I just made $5,000. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
I'm telling you, because of that, that's why it's so dippy today. Because people are jumping in, trying to live yesterday's glory.
Well, I'm not trying to live yesterday's glory. It's just it's been chopping.
I'm not talking about this group. I'm not talking about the people in YouTube. But I'm saying, like, Joe Schmo traders trying to jump around and make miracles.
Joe Schmo traders.
You know it's true. Tipping the VWAP.
Come on, market. Give us something. We need something here. We need something before getting off.
Well, the good thing is a 2 minute and a 5 minute are going to like clear together the candles, and that's going to be our move.
Well, if it doesn't happen in the next 2 minutes, I'm gonna have to tune off here. What length should your just do the standard VWAP, Delroy? Just do the standard VWAP.
Well, you know, if it's on Ninja 8, it's called the order flow VWAP. Wop 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 wop.
So if you're on Ninja Trader, it's the order flow VWAP. If you're on TradingView and you're using that to chart, just do the standard weighted VWAP. I gotta edit some more videos today. Gotta get these vlogs pushed out. Make sure you watch those vlogs. Hopefully you enjoy them. It was a fun trip to Mexico.
You gotta mic your girl because she's talking in the background and you can't catch it all. So you have to have like 2 or 3 mics so you can pass around.
Well, next time we go, I'll make sure she has a mic on. All right, gentlemen, it's officially 11:10. Market's trying to start to push up here.
You're going to watch this next thing resolve. Look at it. Oh, my goodness. Look at, oh, yeah. Ooh, look at his face.
So coming above that yellow line that I drew earlier. Not trusting it, though. Not trusting it. Because we're consolidating right now.
Well, you can see on the wicks.
Click the wrong button. Stopped out. But it is what it is. Today was a red day on 4 of my accounts. Green in 1. Didn't trade 2 other accounts only because I'm not trying to risk it for the biscuit. Not worth it. I think with that, gentlemen, I'm going to be getting off here. We have the Traders Hangout tonight, 9:15 tonight. So make sure you tune in. If you just want to vibe up, hang out, talk, I'll be able to focus on answering all your questions a little bit more since we're not actively trading. And Legacy, any questions, concerns before I tune off here?
No, if you do happen to...
For the trade of it, yeah, I got you.
Oh, you good?
Well,
I did put in a question on it, but if you get any revelations, send something to me, all right?
Okay. So you went directly through Trade Evade. Like,
yes.
so you say your own personal account with them.
Yep.
Okay.
I just had some dividend money, so I just put it in there just to have that account, and so.
Okay.
But I mean,
Yeah.
like I say, if something comes your direction, you figure it out. Does Ninja Trader do it too?
Yeah.
They have their own.
Yep, they have their own brokerage.
Shit, maybe I'll just go there, man. If they like Tradevate doesn't want to take my money.
Well, I'm sure Tradevate will take your money.
They just don't want to have customer. Well, we'll see what their customer service says.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll look it up for you. I'll send you a DM in the community.
Cool. And I also need to. I'm like moving some money in the main market, so I'll catch you offline on that because.
Okay. Yeah, that works.
I do want to do a pivot on some stuff, and I just was curious what you're thinking because I'll talk about that, but that's not for YouTube. That's for my tube.
For your tube, and there we go. Market started push up after I said I was done trading. Gotta love it. It always happens. This is how the market makers are watching. I said I was done trading. They're like, okay, let's take it up now. Craziness, just craziness. But anyways, gentlemen, it's been a pleasure. See you guys on tonight. If I don't see you tonight, see you guys Monday morning, 9:20 a.m. Till then, be blessed, stay safe, and don't do anything I wouldn't do. So, all right, everyone, have a great rest of your day.